Hello viewers, today our topic is on how to configure lead mining feature and generate leads. So in the question itself it is asked about how to configure lead mine. So we'll go to the configuration. First go to CRM. Lead mining means for a growing business it is very essential to get quality leads. Lead mining allows to generate leads from database itself. To make relevant leads for business, we need to target some the criteria is on country, size of the company, the industry from where leads are coming, etc. So for the configuration, we'll go to the configuration section here. Go to settings. In settings we'll go to the lead generation section. Settings. In lead generation section we'll see lead mining. Here we should activate this feature. In my Odoo it's already activated, so we need to activate this lead mining feature and save it and go back to the CRM. So now the process is to generate. So we have configured the lead mining feature. Now we need to generate leads. So lead generation means it is a process by which a company acquires leads and collect potential data about relevant data about customers to in order to enable relationship with them and turn them into customers. So that is all about lead generation. So lead generation is done here. After activating the lead mining feature, a generate leads button will appear in the pipeline. We'll click on generate leads. When generate leads is clicked, a menu will come. Here we need to give the criteria, the number of leads and the information about the leads. So how many leads? First the question is about number of leads. Let me give 2. So I need 2 leads. So we can target. The targets are 2 options: companies and their contacts. I have selected companies. Then we can filter on the size, like how many employees, the size of the company from 100 to 1000 employees, the size of the company. Then we can select the countries. We can select multiple countries. I'll select Afghanistan, and then I can select Algeria, and then we'll select the states. After that the industries also we can select 2. Let me select media. Also if I can select some insurance. So 2 industries I have selected. Then to the lead information, the sales team, select Europe and America. Then salesperson, let it be Judy Garza. Then the tags. The tag is the name of the company. Okay, so it will be the name of the company in the leads. So let it be some services about media and insurance, right? So we'll give the tags as services. So down here we can see 2 credits will be consumed to find 2 companies. So these are the steps to give to generate leads. Now if we submit it, I'll get a message on you don't have enough credits. You can see that. See, you don't have enough credit to submit this request. So what are credits means? We need to buy credits. See, in the blue box you can see 2 credits will be consumed to find 2 companies. If I give 10 leads over there, you can see 10 credits will be consumed to find 10 companies. See, it changed to 10 credits will be consumed to find 10 companies. So each generated lead will cost 1 credit. So now if you have credits, if you give submit, the lead is generated. So how to buy credits? We'll go back to the configuration and settings. This buying credits is an in-app purchase feature which is called pricing. So each generated lead will cost 1 credit. So here in the lead mine section you can see buy credits. So when I click on the buy credits, it will go to a page where there will be details of the credits, the amount for 500, and see, for 500 credits you need 100 euro. For 1000 credits you need 200 euro. So if I want 500 credits, I'll click on buy. Then here I need to enter my card details, my address, and if I click on next, I'll get the credits, and that's how I can generate leads. So this is about how to generate leads. Thank you. Hope you all understood.